wants to eat more strawberries. Which jar has more? Let's count and see. This one has 1, 2 strawberries. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strawberries. So this one has more. Olive should eat from this jar.
Which jar has more? Keep it up. You tap the jar with more. Which box has more toys? Keep it up. You tapped the box with more toys. Which box has more toys? Keep it up. You tapped the box with more toys. Which one has more dots on it? Super duper! You tapped the one with more. Tap and count the bears.
1, 2, 3.
Or the floor. Tap the group with more. Nice work! You tap the group with more. Comparing numbers is fun.